Hello everyone, welcome to Crypto Oceans. So before start, don't forget like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I am happy to see you again. Friends, I am here to show you an amazing platform for investment. But this is not a financial advertise, it's just an opinion in this video. So stay with me after this intro.
Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Ocean. I am happy to see you again. So in this video I am going to show you an amazing project. It calls Baby Cherry. As you see, this is the Baby Cherry token. I hope you like it. So Baby Cherry is always win. Baby Cherry will continue the story that Cherry in 2023 did.
السلام عليكم. ما هذا تبغى تعرف أنا ليه ولكن تشيل لنا.
So as you see, more level aiming become the new symbol of baby trading with billion of market cap trading. So you can watch it on Dex View and Dex Tool too. So and here you can buy the Baby Cherry, but watch the video until the end and I will show you all the step one by one and step by step. So this is the whole party of why Baby Cherry. So they ask you why. How many baby token have you missed before? It's never too late because Baby Cherry will make you happy when you hold it. So that means when you buy the baby token, Baby Cherry, you will be happy because maybe in the future the price of this token will be high and high and high. So baby cuts road, baby train and powerful development team, perfect marketplace baby, and here the Baby Cherry roadmap. So the first one, they are loading page and smart contract audit. They do some marketplace NFT release and preset prankster and the phase two, they launched Pancake and they do also marketing post launch and CoinGecko fast track and etc. About phase three, they trade in social. They make social media, they make the NFTs and the big partner cooperation. They do a big partner cooperation with others. So here and about phase 4, Baby Cherry Drop and AI, and they do wallet, payment, print and shop. So about the economics, they have almost 33% for pre-sale and 51% brand and also 16 liquidity. So this is the token for Baby Shark. You have to send the payment here to this token if you want to buy this Baby Cherry. So you can use this analytic and bank sweep. So here are some partners of the Baby Cherry, as a lot of partners, big channels, and there are also some partners will come soon. So as you see, the BSC, PankSwip, Dextool, CoinGecko, Pinksell, all the good partners. So bring the atmosphere of meme close to you. You can follow them on X or Twitter and also in Telegram. So this is the whole image for Baby Cherry. So as you see, this is the over, and you can go to buy Baby Cherry as I said before, and you have to click I understand here. So you have to connect your wallet from here and you have to use, for example, MetaMask or any wallet here. So after that you have to make the password on and switch network to Baby Grok, because Baby Cherry is only available on BNB channel. So after that you have to swipe, for example, 0.10, it means $1, and $3 means a lot of Baby Cherry. After that you have to buy it from here because I don't have a lot of balance, I can't. So here is the official Telegram, Twitter of BB Jury. They have more than 2,500 followers. Here some you found of uh, some of partnership, as you see, with Gate.io. So BB Jury is also available on Gate.io, and here some of airware, some of giveaways, 100 USDT giveaways for 4 winners. All what you have to do is join the Telegram here. After that, follow these 2 accounts. After that, you have to link your tag to a friend. You have to like and rate tag to a friend. After that, you have to complete the delay stem in this form. So here is the Telegram of Jury, Baby Jury. You can open it here. After that, you have to, if you have any question, you want any help or any extra, you have to search here and ask for admin if you have some problem. There are a lot of admins here. You can, as you see, you can just contact admin, for example, and you also need to contact admin for some help again. For example, this one is a boot. So that's all. I want to be sure that everything is clear here, so everyone can go and make a lot of money with Baby Cherry, as I told you before. So I hope this be okay with you. See you next time. Goodbye.